How about another Mopar just in here at Unique, especially in classics? Good looking car too. It's a 2013 Dodge Charger SRT8 Super B. Best of all, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual miles on this one, 7,770 at the moment. That's right. Just a little over 7,700 miles. 6.4 liter. Yep, it's got a Hemi V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Take a look at the front fascia, grille, headlights on this one. Like new condition. Hemi orange. Black interior. Check out the still pictures. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Good looking Dodge wheel on this one, no doubt about that. You see the wheel locking lug on here. The key for that is in the glove box and will go along with the car, so it is in there. Of course, the 6.4 liter equals 392 cubic inches of Hemi power. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. What you'd expect with a car that's well taken care of and lower miles like this one. Does have an aftermarket exhaust on it. I should say aftermarket mufflers. Catalytic converters were still there. It's got a little bark to it. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. This one checked out very well in their service department, obviously, again, with the lower miles. If you like Mopars, no matter what year, what style, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. You can see that car has a nice stance to it. And again, the driver's side, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a look at the interior. Get a little peek at the back seats on this one. Great condition. They're basically like new. Definitely no surprises on this car. Of course, all your modern amenities too, as far as power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here in the driver's side. And the seat doesn't look like it's even really worn at all. Bolster looks good. Floor mats look like they're brand new, which basically they are considering their condition. Steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I'll leave the door open. You're going to be able to hear this exhaust. Like I said, got a little bark to it. There's your exact miles, 7,770. Gauge is all working. Of course, stereo working, dual climate control. Dash looking good. No service engine soon light, check engine lights, nothing like that. Pop the hood so we take a peek at that engine bay. Slip around to the back so you can hear this. Hemi putting out a little rumble. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open. We'll check out this engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There's a good look at the hood liner, underside of the hood. Doesn't appear this car's been driven in inclement weather. Look at the underside. You want to see clean. Take a look at those pictures online, and there it is, a 392 Hemi. Power steering, power brakes, AC. And again, AC glows cold. I haven't really noticed any modifications underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. 2013 Dodge Charger SRT8 Super B. Just a little over 7,700 miles is all. UniqueClassicCars.com, all the still pictures that you will need to see. That's where they're located at. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today, let's go for a ride in a 2013 Dodge Charger Super B. Great sound coming out the back of this car. We've got paddle shifters. It's also an automatic if you wish. Got a little bit of traffic. Great looking orange and black combination in this car. All right, let's go. Sounds mean in such a good way. We've got real needles for our speedometer and tachometer. I kind of like that. Also the digital speedometer and gear indicator. Real needles for the temperature, which is just come up around 180. The fuel gauge reading a little less than half of a tank. Full screen over here for all your features, including the stereo, which sounds great in this car. Cloth seats. I don't know if you know this yet, but I love cloth seats. You don't stick to them like leather or vinyl, and yet they look great. Black with a stripe and a Super B embroidered in. Super B is such an icon from the past. Touch screen or touch steering wheel buttons for controlling your stereo. Of course, all the modern amenities like that. Great steering wheel. Fat enough for a good grip. A little bit of shapes on the sides. Just had to hit it again. Corner's great. I can understand why the police officers like their Chargers. This is a fun and easy car to drive. Check out all the pictures of this Dodge Charger Super B at UniqueClassicCars.com.